I don't even know what time it is. It's geography joke time. Yes. What is a pirate's favorite country? Argentina. Right now we're going to use Google Sheets and using information in something we create and putting it into a map. Recently I discovered this. So let's go to our 9 squares or our waffle and let's click Google Sheets. And we're going to do a blank and we're going to call this YouTube followers. So there's a lot of things that maybe you deal with numbers or populations in your social studies class, and this is a kind of a different way of having students record them. So right here in our first square, we're going to type in number. That's how many people follow me on YouTube. And then we're going to list the country right here. So let's go through some of these right now. And let's say I have 400 subscribers in Mexico. And then I have 1,000 in Iran. And then I have 3,000 in Botswana. Such a fun place to say, Botswana. And then let's say I've got 899 in Sudan. And we'll finish it up with, let's say I've got the people of France really love me. And I have 80,000 subscribers in France. Okay. Now, most of us are familiar when we go through here and we're going to put this in a graph. We go over here on the Google Sheets to where we see a bar graph. We click bar graph. And most of the time, kids like, boom, number and country. And there we go. I recently discovered one, however. If you go into the chart type, if you keep scrolling down to where it says map, boom. Now we see a world map here, and it has highlighted those countries that I have indicated. So if I just click on the countries, I can see the number that is given me. So for example, in Botswana, there was 3,000. Over here, there's Mexico, 400, and France, 80,000. You can also, even if you're wanting to deal with a particular region, when you go into the chart type, if I go right here and I want to go down here to the map. If I go over here to customize, let's see, since I've got 2 in Africa, if I click the geo, it's going to ask you the region. And if I click Africa, it'll zoom in a little bit on Africa right there. So if you're having your kids do something with just Africa with numbers, you can do it right there. And just like with anything in Google, it automatically saves into their Google Drive. And so here's a way you can use maps in your Google Sheets. Have a nice day and hope you found this somewhat helpful.